take cutout of the main image and add outline. Take cutout of other images so we can add them as pip. Add the background and add app icons as pip, and adjust them. Take the main image and add it as pip. Add more cutouts through pip and place them. Also add your watermark. Now place a circular frame cutout through pip. Your profile picture is ready. This is how it looks like.